Python Lesson 8. Hi everybody! In Lesson 8, we will discover how data is manipulated in a Python program. In any computer coding language, there is only 3 ways of inputting data. By assigning a value to a variable. Look at the following example. P1 equals 5, or D equals 23, or even F equals T plus 2. Here, we consider that T is a variable previously declared. The second way to input data is by using the input command that we saw in almost all the previous lessons. Look at the following example. P1 equals input. Type your address. The third way to input data is by using a calculation. Look at the following example. AV equals, parentheses, grade 1 plus grade 2 plus grade 3, close parentheses, divided by 3. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram in order to access to additional educational resources.